In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your device and tapping on Allow in all pop-ups if you never used it before. If you wish, before recording, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner and hit Settings. Then adjust all of those however you want to. Go back and start recording thanks to this red button. Then tap on Allow again. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner to operate all of those. If you decided to delete your recording, you can also go back, hold it here, and tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!